Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolour Mentor and welcome to Easy Watercolour Flower Painting. Loose painting is a fun way to create fresh and spontaneous works. It allows you to learn the basics of colour, form and tone in watercolour painting. In this class, you'll learn how to sketch and paint 6 beautiful flower arrangements in an easy and fresh manner. This class is aimed towards beginners with 6 demonstrations which I'll help guide you through step by step. There are scans, drawings and tracing templates included as well for each demonstration to help you transfer your drawing over quickly and easily. You can follow along to my real-time drawing and narration videos for all of these demonstrations. In this class, I explain every technique I use while I'm painting, such as using watercolor to paint petals on a flower. I will also discuss color choices and the strength and specific mix of pigment that I'm using. If you have a pencil, some watercolor paints and paper, then you're ready to go. So join me in this class. Let's create some paintings that you can be proud of.